In this lesson, we will see together the possessive pronouns, but we will see more precisely la leur. So, of course, the question is, what are the possessive pronouns? Well, they replace a noun previously mentioned to avoid repetition. This is the concept of the pronouns in French to replace a noun that was mentioned. They are used to indicate ownership or possession. So that's the important thing, and that's the reason why we call them possessive pronouns. And the last thing that is quite important, they agree in gender and numbers with the thing or things being possessed. So you will have to choose your pronouns according to the gender and the number of the things they replace. So this lesson is about la leur. And the possessive pronoun la leur can be translated into English as theirs, their own, or their one, depending on the context. But keep in mind that la leur is féminin singulier. So we'll see some examples with la leur. Mon idée est bonne, mais la leur est encore meilleure. Mon idée est bonne, mais la leur est encore meilleure. Notre proposition est valable, mais la leur est plus appropriée. Notre proposition est valable, mais la leur est plus appropriée. Sa proposition est intéressante, mais la leur répond mieux aux besoins. Sa proposition est intéressante, mais la leur répond mieux aux besoins. Ta méthode est efficace, mais la leur est encore plus efficace. Ta méthode est efficace, mais la leur est encore plus efficace.